Alright guys, I haven't done any tractor videos in quite a while. It's been a rough summer between the intense heat and incredible amounts of rain and this damn virus. It's just throwing everybody's life upside down. Just haven't had time to mess around with them. But thought I'd come out today and try to crank over the two Farmalls. Now the 40 here, the hand cranker, she's been giving me trouble, actually. Always started with one crank. Lately I've had to crank it several times. I got to pull that carburetor off and clean it out. And I know this Super A also needs the carb cleaned out. I usually do all my tractors in the spring, pull the carbs off and just clean them out and blow them out, put them back on, but I did not get to it this year. So, anyway, like I said, it's been a rough spring summer this year. Alright, let's see if we can get some juice here. We got juice here. Okay. Choke. Throttle. She's a go. The old 53. Good job. She never fails me, really. Never fails me, this old girl. Now the 40, as I said, I know for a fact the problems with that carburetor. Definitely, problem is fuel related, not gas, not spark. So I don't know if she's going to start it at all. But we'll give it a shot. I'm not going to put the camera down. There's going to be a shitty angle here, but oof. Wow. 7 cranks and we got a no-go. Fuse is not getting up into the carb. I know it's the carburetor. I checked every one of the plugs. Got beautiful spark. I know it's the carb. I blew the hose out going into the tank. So we'll just give it a couple more cranks and then we'll call it a no-go. Come on, girl, wake up. Ooh, I had a little muffler popper there. You can tell just listening to it. You hear it popping? It's not getting good fuel delivery. I gotta pull that carb off and go over it. I'm actually surprised she started. I might have just discovered something else. I see a drip coming over here. But it doesn't smell like gas. I've seen some drips coming out of the bottom of the filter here. And it's clear and it does not smell like gas. I believe I got water in that filter. So I might have just found my main culprit. That's good. That's very good. Pull all that off and service it. Clean the carb up, put it back on. And we'll be back with a restart in a few days. But in the meantime, she did run. But that pop in there was a misfire, and that could certainly, definitely be watering the fuel. So, 2 Farmalls are going pretty decent. One last thing I just want to show real quick. My friend Jan is looking to make a step for his Farmall A. This is the step I made years ago. It's just a 3-inch wide piece of angle iron bolted to the frame there. Alright, there's bolts on both sides. Angle iron comes all the way out to here. And I put this piece of diamond plate on there. You can make anything you want. And it makes a nice step. And I call it my senior step. That's the senior step for us young guys. Get on and off the tractor. So I hope that helps you there, Jan, in your modification. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Welcome, Daniel.